All right, so here what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to evaluate different pieces. We're supposed to evaluate the f plus g, f minus g, f times g, and f divided by g at certain points. So first point first, what we have is we have f plus g of 3. So f plus g, so let's just write down what we have. We have 5x minus 3 plus 2x squared. So that would be really of x, but we're going to plug in a 3 now. So it's a 5 times 3 minus 3 plus 2 times 3 squared. So that's going to be what? 15 minus 3 plus 9 times 2 is 18. Well, 18 minus 3 is 15 plus 15 equals 30. Okay. What about f minus g? Now of a negative 7. Okay. All right, so we just take 5x minus 3 minus 2x squared. Now we plug in a minus 7. So that gives us what? 35, minus 35, I should say, minus 3, and then minus, that's going to be 49 times 2 is 98. And so that's going to be 9, 10, 6, 130, negative 136. Okay. Now f times g of 5 this time. Well, we'll have 5x minus 3 times 2x squared. I'm going to take that times that first. So that's going to give me 10x, and that's going to be cubed minus 6x squared. Now I plug in a 5, so 10 times 5 cubed minus 6 times 5 squared. That's going to be 10 times 125 minus 6 times 25, if I can write the 2 right. So that's going to be 1250 minus, and 6 of those is going to be 150. And so that's going to give that's going to be 1100. And finally, f divided by g of 0, well, that's going to be 5x minus 3 over 2x squared. That's just if we plugged in the values. Now we plug in 0, so 5 times 0 minus 3 over 2 times 0 squared. Uh-oh, that's not possible, not defined, because we can't divide by 0. Okay, so that one we can't do. The rest of them we can do. What about these? Now, this probably should have been done first because this one just says find the x of it. So we don't actually have to plug anything in. So f plus g of x equals, well, we just take 10 minus x plus 2x squared. Now, if we write it in decreasing powers, that'll be a 2x squared minus x plus 10. Now, if we don't, we can leave it as that. So it all depends on if they kind of ask you to put it in decreasing powers. This one they don't say, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it and say that's good enough with, go ahead and put it for reducing order of powers, 2, 1, 0. Now, f minus g of x, well, that's just going to be 10 minus x, and then we're going to subtract off 2x squared. And again, decreasing order, minus 2x squared minus x plus 10. And that would be our final answer. Now we have f times g of x. Well, that's going to be a 10 minus x times 2x squared again. And we're going to take that times that. We're going to take that times that. And so that's going to be 2 times that. So it's going to be 20x squared minus 2x cubed. And if we write in decreasing power, minus 2x cubed plus 20x squared. Okay. And one final one, f over g of x. And so now we have a 10 minus x over a 2x squared. That's where I would leave it. I wouldn't try to reduce it any further. It's going to get really complicated really quick. And so I would just say that would be my final answer. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.